Morning. So today I'm going to discuss about Facebook login for iOS. Facebook login for iOS. When people log into your app with Facebook, they can grant permission to your app so you can relative information or perform action on Facebook on their behalf. So firstly, we will create an object and add on this CocoaPod library, FBSDK login kit and FBSDK core kit, okay, which I import on this two library and to framework import on this Coca by using CocoaPod and Swift package manager. So, and this is a app delegate which are calling on this open URL option key. In this method, use allow the SDK handle results from the native Facebook app when you perform a login or share action. Okay, now this is the Facebook login. Okay, now firstly we will create a view.background called the gray and self.sign up button, which I was creating the sign up button. Sorry, command Z sign up FB, which is outlet of the button. We're gonna create a main storyboard. Now this is the sign up button, sign with Facebook, and this outlet on this button, Facebook demo. Okay, now Facebook demo is we're gonna apply on this Facebook demo frame and click bound. We're gonna apply on the Facebook login action button action. So firstly we will create an object and instance FB login manager. FB login manager is provide FBSDK framework. Provide FBSDK login kit framework and FB login dot permission profile dot email, which have in this key provide a Facebook login. Suppose okay from dot self. So in this pass on this closure result an error. If error is equal to nil, let FB login result login manager result. If user cancel login, cancel. You will grant permission to contains email. User is logged into do work such as go to the next view controller and this is use of. So okay, we're gonna run this applications. Check on this. When people log into your app with Facebook, they can grant permission to your app so you can relative information or perform actions on Facebook on their behalf. In this applications, okay, now we're gonna run the applications. This is the gray color and press on the sign up and with Facebook, which have provided alert on a Facebook login. Want to use facebook.com sign continue, which are open on this Facebook. So this is a simulator not running on this Facebook page but open your Facebook, and Facebook provide your profile information in your app. Now I'm gonna check on Google Chrome. Facebook login for iOS quick start. So register application, set up your development environment with Swift package manager, and now for register for configure Facebook. You need to configure, connect your app delegate. This is call on this method. Open URL options key and add Facebook login into your code. So this is a login your code. So okay. So thanks. We're gonna check on this sign up grant permission allow token. This is the provide information on your Facebook. Provide information on your Facebook. So thanks.